Hey guys, Tracy here, your online success coach dedicated to helping you get real results in your business. Now today I want to talk to you about a company called Life Farm Global. Chances are you landed on this video because someone either recently introduced you to the Life Farm Global business and products, and you're just doing some more research to find out whether this would be a wise business decision for you. Or you might already be a Life Farm Global rep and you're not yet getting the results that you want in your business. And so let me start off by saying that Life Farm Global is in fact a legitimate network marketing company. They were actually founded in 2011, which is fairly new, but in that time they've already grown to 80,000 plus members. And so I definitely see a growth trend for them. They're also in a booming niche, which is the health and wellness industry. And people are more and more getting focused on creating healthier, happier lives. And so that's definitely a great niche to be in. And what makes them unique is they actually have a proprietary supplement that is used to enhance physical, emotional, and mental well-being. So they definitely are backed by great leadership, a good, solid product. And if that's an interest of yours or you're already a distributor, then you have no worries on that front. What I do want to talk about is what happens when you join a company like Life Farm Global, or if you're already a representative for this company, you might find yourself struggling to get results in your business. And the reason that this happens so often with people is simply because they run out of people to talk to about their products and services. And this is usually no fault of the distributors, but simply a lack of the proper marketing knowledge in order to truly grow your business into a sustainable organization. And what I mean by that is when you typically join a network marketing company, you're told to approach your warm market. Maybe write down 50 or 100 people you know, get on the phone, call them, let them know how excited you are about this new business venture you're starting, and see if they have any interest in the products that you are selling. And this might be a great start. You might get some initial sales, build some momentum. But if you're like me and the majority of people, that warm market runs out pretty quickly, and you don't want to be that person that's always bothering your friends and family about your products. And so for me, when I reached that point and I was really struggling to figure out how can I get my business in front of the right people, I started searching online and really, I ran into things like buying leads or handing out business cards or doing drop cards in public places. And all of that honestly just led to more frustration and more loss of time and money. And so if that's where you are, you're not alone. That's where I was as well. But through that frustration, I came across a marketing system that actually taught me how to effectively market my business online. And when you think about it, how many people are online nowadays? There's over 1 billion people on Facebook alone, right? And people are using things like Google to search for everything. So how many people are searching for health and wellness products or how to start a home-based business? There's thousands upon thousands of people searching for that every single day. And so when you learn how to market your business effectively, just like any traditional brick and mortar business, you want to get your products and services in front of the right people. There's plenty of people out there who are interested in exactly what you have to offer. You just need to get yourself in front of those people. And so this marketing system that I came across helped me to do just that. I was able to start leveraging social media, blogging, videos, building websites. You don't even have to be techie in order to market yourself online. It's actually a very simple process that just takes consistency. And so if you're struggling to get results in your business, if you're at that point where I was, where you don't know who else to talk to, you don't want to bother your family and friends anymore, then what I urge you to do is look below this video. There's actually going to be a link. I want you to click that link, fill in your name and email address, and it's going to bring you to a free presentation that shows you the exact system that I used to finally start marketing effectively on the internet. And this is what has made the biggest difference for me in my business. Because now, rather than me having to go find people to join my business or to buy my products, people are actually finding me online. And so if that's where you're at, you're done struggling, you really want to get some success, you want to start getting results in your business, click that link right now, fill in your information, and I will see you on the inside.